Si Gianna naman, during rehearsals, siya naman yung nag-hold back. Siya naman yung nagpakita pero sakto lang. Pero dito naman sa live, binigay niya yung todo. So, it's really good.
Hindi ako makapag-decide ngayon and I would, if I may, just take a little time lang kasi hindi ko mapakawalan yung tatlo. So I just need a little bit more time para makapag-desisyon ako ng tama.
Ang rason ko, I went for what I feel kung sino sa kanila ang talagang may gustong magpatuloy pa. And I felt that with Gianna from the start. So, good job, Gianna. Gianna, as I said, from the start, she was a leader. She's professional. She's very skillful, experienced singer. She's been here before. She's back with a vengeance. Kaya lahat yata nasa kanya. So, good luck to you, Gianna.